I wanted to talk about a nose trimmer because like my nose Alright you guys, so welcome back. I wanted to go ahead and do my June favorites, of course. We've been keeping up every month, so of course I wanted to go ahead and share my favorite makeup products and skincare products from this past month. Okay, so of course, with that being said, you guys already know what to do. Make sure you go ahead and hit that like and subscribe button. Okay, don't forget, show some love. Okay, support me. But yeah, just go ahead and do that for me, and let's just get into the video and see what I went ahead and picked up in the month of June. All right, so the first item I do want to talk about is from Morphe. You guys know I did the review on the Morphe Continuous Prep and Set Mist. This is their supercharged one in the gold bottle, and I'm obsessed, y'all. Honestly, when it comes to Morphe's like setting sprays, especially the continuous, mist one, I love the way it feels on the skin. I love how it sets everything and melts my makeup into the skin. But when I went ahead and did my review for you guys, I only use this product. And typically I use it alongside the Charlotte Tilbury one to lock in my makeup. But I noticed that this by itself, it sets your makeup and it locks it into at the same time. Especially this new packaging, this one right here. The black one, that one only I use to like melt my makeup into my skin and get rid of my powder look. But this one will go ahead and lock your makeup, give you some glow, hydration, all of that good stuff. So really good. Go ahead and pick it up at Ulta. Make sure you use their coupon to save a little bit of money, but I have to go ahead and mention this baby. The next one I do want to talk about is this lip gloss, okay, from Fenty. It's been out for a minute now, but I am getting into like colored lip glosses. Typically I love my pinks, of course, like the one I have on here, like a nudie pink, but this one is a bright one. This is the Gloss Bomb from Fenty in the shade Fruit Snacks. It is such a cute name, and I went to Ulta and picked this up, y'all, and it's just absolutely stunning. All right, I used this in my, I can't remember what video that was, the ombre under eye concealer and blush combo. I used this one on my lips and everybody kept asking like, what is that? So it is this one right here in the shade Fruit Snacks. And in case you don't know what this color looks like, here it is. And the thing about Fenty, y'all, they will give you pigment. All right, one swipe is all you need, and it's so glossy, it is so shiny. I honestly just need a little bit of this. All right, I can even use like the whole product that comes out. I just use a little bit and just spread it out on my lips. But yeah, this one has been doing me justice. So moving on to this next one, it looks so beat up and dirty, y'all, but you guys know how it is with foundation and stuff. But this is the OneSize Ultimate Puff, and I got this because I was looking for a super big puff to set my under eyes, to set my face, and I got this originally thinking that it was gonna be really soft and just like, I don't know, I just thought it was gonna be perfect for the under eye. It's a little bit hard, baby. Like when it picks up powder, it picks up a lot of product. If you guys have used the sponges from Amazon, the triangle ones, those are perfect. I love the texture. I love how soft it is, but I just wish they had like a super sized big one. Or if they do, let me know down below because I will go ahead and buy it real quick. So I got this thinking like it'll work the same, like the softness and all of that. This here, just how he uses it in his videos to pack on powder all over your face, this is what it's good for, okay, to pack powder all over your face. But I don't use it for that. What I actually use this puff for is for touch up throughout the day. It is a perfect size, and it just blends everything into the skin when I touch up throughout the day. If I go ahead and set my face with a setting, spray, of course, as it's drying down, I will take this puff and press it into my skin. So I use it more so as like a touch up, puff for like my face. But when it comes to like baking and things like that, I really just don't prefer it because it's a little bit hard, okay? But I had mixed feelings about this at first, but I found a way, to make it work for me. So like I told you guys, if there's a super size triangle puff out there, let me know down below because I will go ahead and pick it up. So now we're gonna move on to skincare. You guys know I love me some skincare. The first one, actually, let me go ahead and switch that out. I'll use that one second to last. So for some reason, I take care of my skin, y'all. I wash my face every night. I've been loyal. I probably only skipped like one day because I was super tired, y'all. But it is what it is when it comes to like breakouts and having little bumps here and there. So I've been using the Exuviance Daily Acne Peel. This is more like a toner product. I don't know how to describe it. It's very liquidy. You just go ahead and take like a cotton swab and just dab it in the areas that you're breaking out. So I go ahead and use this first, and then as like an overnight mask, you know, to leave on the skin and, you know, remove the next day, I use the Kate Somerville Eradicate Acne Treatment. I actually broke the cap of this, so that's why it looks a little bit crazy. But I got this from Marshall's. It's a little bit cheaper there, y'all. Not even a little bit cheaper. It's a lot cheaper. Go to Marshall's and get it. But this combo has been doing such a great job in terms of like my breakouts. And actually it's one more product that I used that I didn't bring up. Let me go ahead and get that for y'all. So I'm back. I actually went ahead and got the Sunday Riley UFO Acne Treatment Oil. So I use this also as well, you guys. Sometimes I will go ahead and use the Exuviance one and then the Kate one, or then sometimes I will go ahead and use the UFO serum and then alongside the Kate one. It just depends what I'm feeling that night. But this is also really good if you guys have never tried it. It's more of like a serum that you can put on your breakouts, and it really helps as well. And I never, let me see. Yeah, the color of it actually is green. I love, you know, the name of it, the UFO Clear Serum, because of the green color. Like, y'all get it. So the last skincare product I want to go ahead and mention is from Skin Fix. This is their Resurface Plus Glycolic Renewing Scrub. This has glycolic acid, 7%, and 6% lactic acid, and it's a pre-shower and in-shower chemical and manual exfoliator. All right, I'm surprised I didn't, you know, stutter saying all that. But this is what it looks like. I hope y'all can see from back here. It's like a green tube, really pretty. But I love this exfoliator. I've had it, y'all, for like a minute now, and I just forgot about it, and then I remembered that I had it again. And it's just really great in terms of like scrubbing your body. It is not too heavy when it comes to like the scrub in there. Some of them are super harsh on the body. This is nothing like that. It is really nice and easy to work into the skin. I actually go ahead and apply this on my underarms. I scrub my inner thighs, I scrub my feet, I scrub anywhere, y'all, with this product, and then I go in the shower and rinse it off, and your body's gonna feel really smooth. And of course, my favorite part is it does have glycolic acid in there and lactic acid, which should help with like KP, you know, dark marks, dark areas, hyperpigmentation, all of that too as well. So I mentioned this on my channel like years ago, but I want to go ahead and bring this back. Now, last but not least, I wanted to talk about a nose trimmer, because like my nose one day I was just like in the sun, I'm like, girl, you're like, your nose hair is like hairing, like what's going on? So I was like trying to cut it with scissors. This is so funny, y'all. Like, I'm so immature. Let me get it together. 1 second. So I was trying to cut it with some scissors, and like it wasn't doing us justice, because like y'all know, like the nose is just awkward in there. So I looked up a good nose trimmer, and everybody talked about the Philips Ultimate Comfort nose, ears, and brow trimmer. I was like, let's get into it. And I got this from Walmart actually, and y'all, it did such a great job. Like I literally bought it in Walmart, and I got it in my car. I couldn't even wait till I got home. I was like, let me see if this thing works right here. And I did it in the car, and it got my nose hairs, y'all. Like real quick, you just put it in there, go in a little circle, and it cuts all your hair for you. So in case you're wondering, this is what it looks like. It comes with a battery too as well, which I really appreciate. That way I could do it right away, but it's so good and so easy to work with. And all you have to do is just twist it, and it'll do the job for you. So if your nose hair is hairing, go ahead and get this, okay? It is really good, and it's not even that expensive, which I really appreciate. But yes, you guys, that was everything for the month of June that I bought new. I'm gonna do a collective haul for you guys, or you guys probably already seen this before, you know, this video. But yes, your girl got a bunch of stuff that I'm waiting to share and try out with you guys first. You know, I want to do the haul for you guys and then try it out. So yes, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you go ahead and hit that like, subscribe button, and I'll see you guys in my next video.